What's up, guys? I've got a lot of requests to keep you guys informed about international travel and international travel plans regarding the incident between Pakistan and India. And typically we stay away from political topics, but in this case I've gotten enough interest that I think I'm going to read you a few things. And the first is this: as of Monday, March the 1st, the channelnewsasia.com website reports that all airports across Pakistan are operational and airspace has been reopened. Pakistan fully reopened its airspace on Monday, authorities said, days after it closed its skies to all travel, leaving thousands stranded worldwide as tensions with nuclear arch rival India soared. It goes on to say that the decision to close the airspace came last Wednesday after a dogfight went down, and as you know, a plane was shot down. An F-16 was shot down by a MiG-21. So, just to let you guys know, for a short period of time, that did impede international travel because the airspace over Pakistan was closed. A lot of planes fly over Pakistani airspace in order to get to their destination. Some of you were messaging me saying, is this going to affect my vacation? Is this going to affect my flight to Thailand? What is this really going to do for my travel plans? And my answer was, at the time, I'm really not sure. This is not something that I tend to follow, although I did promise you guys on this channel that we would follow any current events that have anything to do with impeding your travel. And unfortunately, this is one of those events that did impede some people's travel and looked like it was going to impede the travel of others. So what exactly did this airspace closure mean? Well, reading from the article from Channel News Asia, it just says several airlines, including Emirates and Qatar Airways, suspended flights to Pakistan on Wednesday, February the 27th. After the South Asia nation closed its airspace following heightened tensions with neighboring India. We all know what happened there. There were several airlines, the one that starts with an E that I can't pronounce worth the crap. Fly Dubai, Gulf Air, and Sri Lanka Airlines also suspended services to the country. Singapore Airlines, British Airways, and other major airlines were forced to reroute and divert many flights. So as a passenger who was experiencing international travel during this time, you were likely to get rerouted or diverted, which meant if you had to be back on a certain day, it was going to cause a serious problem. Thankfully, we now know that all the airspace is reopened, everything's good to go, and there shouldn't be a problem at this point. If you want to research more into the political side of things, you can Google it and research all the political sides of who did what and what went wrong and what happened. I am here to bring you information solely on the basis of there was an airspace closure, which meant no planes could fly over that airspace. That airspace closure impeded international travel by either rerouting or diverting flights. In many cases, there were many airlines specifically that operate out of that area who had to cancel all flights to and from Pakistan, and some had to cancel flights to and from India simply because they had to use Pakistani airspace to get there. Many of the flights were diverted around it, but if you were flying internationally, specifically to Southeast Asia, your travel plans could have easily been impacted by this. From this point forward, I will keep you up to speed on events like this as they happen and let you know if there is anything you need to worry about as far as travel advisories go, and make sure you guys are able to stay safe. So thank you for watching this first video with me about travel advisories, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.